Hello, hello, hello. Sound, we have sound. Okay, sorry. So, this is a non-scheduled stream, but since I'm working here on a shop and I better tape it. So, I'm doing some preparations for later night and I found some issues. So, I'm fixing them. And since I'm here by myself, why not stream? I don't think it makes sense anyway. So, welcome guys. So we are fixing some stuff and laying some stuff, cleaning a little bit of the bench because it's a mess. And I thought, well, maybe I'm gonna start streaming and maybe I get some company this way. Maybe some of you don't have anything to do anyway, and decide to join me, or you have something to do, but you can listen. So why not? So first of all, I noticed my base of the head broke again. So this is the old one, not the new one, but it broke on the same place. So, hey Vini, Mega. Já vi que tens as minhas notificações. Já imprimiste esta peça da crane fly? I'm fine. I'm great. What about you? So it broke again. Let me try to show it. There. See? Here. Like. Cool. Yeah, esta não foi planeada. Eu estava aqui de volta da Velta a preparar para logo à noite. Ok, eu estou a fazer uma modificação para reforçar estas peças aqui, onde isto agarra, porque isto está muito fraco e mal qualquer merda parte logo. Então, por isso é que eu estava a perguntar. Eu já disse ao gajo que desenhou isto para ele fazer, porque isto não há necessidade de ser tão frágil. Isto tem aqui nem um milímetro de plástico em volta. Esta é a primeira, a outra ainda está montada na máquina. E então agora estou a imprimir umas reforçadas, porque isto não há necessidade de ser tão frágil. Eu não percebo porque é que ele fez isto assim. Não é por causa de mais meia grama de plástico que isto tem problemas. E então estou a imprimir outra vez, mas já uma versão reforçada. Portanto, let me share the screen. Oh, okay, I need to turn on this camera, but we don't need it yet. I have my Spotify in here, but I haven't turned the music on yet. Yeah, é um bocado estúpido. No entanto, para aí que eu vou te mostrar outra coisa. So I did these changes basically. I just quick and dirtily just add some bunch of material. I wish I had the CAD, so because Fusion is giving me an hard time playing with this STL, because I would like to add some chamfers in here, something like this. See? But since this is an STL, lots of faces and stupid shit, I can't actually do it properly. So, but the guy said it's gonna fix it anyway. It's gonna take a look and give it a fix. would like to do something like that, but anyway. So, other thing I noticed is, let me activate, well actually let me change him. So I noticed, so these guys use this, how can I show this? Let me try another one. So they use the screws like that, and you see the head in here gets a lot out of the ball joint, and it actually rubs on the panels. Well, it can rub on the panel if you go too far out. So what I did this. I did machine these guys down. So these are regular button screws. And now I'm gonna remove the spacer out of them, and they're gonna just go like that. See, much less head out. So I'm gonna change these, but no point. So basically I changed these, so focus, will you focus? So this is supposed to be like this. So it has the, don't know if you can see the spacer there on the, well, flatheads may not be a bad idea, may work. But I decided to go this way. Because regular button heads you can't use them because you'll, let me try to show you, you'll shorten the joint, the movement of the joint. That's what I tried first. So I came out with this. I modified the heads, and I'll win a few millimeters more travel, which is good. So, other thing I noticed is this, and I'm gonna try to fix that now. So let me open the browser. So we don't need this, we don't need this. Oh, so tonight at the giveaway, we're gonna give away one of these. A Nighthawk Stealth Burner full head. Courtesy of Lab 4450. So I was messing with my printer earlier, and I noticed this interesting thing. So You see now the MCU is at 1% load, something like that. I don't understand these 12 megahertz, but actually let me check other things. Let me check my Trident. So you have the Trident here. Push that. Yeah, that makes sense. So the MCU it's 180. Yeah, esta stream não estava programada, mas como eu estava aqui de volta da printer, decidi, bem, estou aqui de volta disto e a fazer modificações, por que não fazer stream? Portanto, esta não é a stream oficial é logo à noite, às 9 horas. Mas já que eu estava aqui na oficina e estava aqui de volta da printer e a arrumar umas coisas, why not? Okay, so looks like, Jesus, this thing is really, really, really slow. But anyway, so let's take a look at this. If I enable, so now I don't have, oh wait, not in here. In here. Let me close this. So this is at 1%. Now let's take a look in here. If I activate the LED effect stuff. Look at that. 35% load just with the LED effect. So what I'm thinking is, I'm pretty sure I can connect the LEDs directly to the Pi, because the Pi has a lot more processing power. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna try to connect the LEDs. So I take the load out of the Pico and see if it works, because I really want the LEDs on this thing. So let's do some search. So Clipper, RGB or Clipper, NeoPixel, Raspberry. Não sei, vamos ver. Should be. In theory, we only need to connect the data pin on a GPIO, on an IO pin of the Raspberry Pi, and set the pin in the configuration. LED light panel using, yeah, that's exactly what we want. Let me take a look. Okay, so here is gonna use So we done that for the Raspberry Pi. So this is not exactly what I need. Okay, so let me check just what pin can I, instead of Clipper, let me put just this. NeoPixels on Raspberry Pis. DMA hardware. Raspberry Pi wiring. Okay, so here they are not connecting directly. What's this thingy? Let me see what is doing. I hope this is not a signal converter. Oh, it is. Oh, okay. So, yeah, this is a lot. So the Raspberry Pi works at the logic works at 3.3 volt, and I guess the NeoPixels need 5 volt logic. Okay, do not pour more than a few. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so according to them, there's no need. Okay, so GPIO 18. Can use the 18. Can we use any other? Because I need 2 of them. So let me check. Raspberry Pi 3 beam plus pinout. Oh, this one. I prefer this one. Okay. 3B plus mechanical schematics. I just want a fucking pinout. Pictures. I want pictures. I don't understand Google search. I don't. Why? I want that picture. Why are you taking me to a page that doesn't have that picture? So let's go for this one. Yeah, this one. This thing. That's my one. So they say GPIO, so we have a, oh, okay, we need a PWM output. So I assume we can use GPIO 18 because I have I have 5 connected to the, so we have these used. So I can use this one, and I should be able to use like the 13. I don't think it needs to be a PWM though. Let me check for instance on the on the Python. Oops. SQR Python. So Clipper. No, not Clipper. Hardware. Oh, actually, I have it here. I have the schematics in here, so let's just check the schematics. So, where do we have RGB? Yeah, RGB it's a regular one. So RGB is connected to GPIO 24. So let me check the RP 2040 pinout. Okay, that should. Yeah, let's try. I want to check. Where's the picture? Yeah, here. So this is. Fuck, this is not what I want. I want the actual processor. Oh, we can check it. Yeah. Okay, that will work. Okay, so we need GPIO and PWMs. Okay, so basically which one it was? 24, right? GPIO 20. Where's 24? It was 24, right? RGB 24, yes. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 22. Okay, so this drawing doesn't help me at all. Okay, let me go to the data sheet. There we go. That's what I want. So GPIO 24, that's pin 36. Let me check the actual data sheet. Yeah. GPIO function. Yes, that's exactly what I want. 13. Page 13. In description, so GPIOX. Kernel purpose, so the 24, the GPIO 24. Okay, so this is a general, okay, should be fine. So we should be fine with any GPIO. So we can try actually the GPIO 18 and the 17 should be fine, or the 17 and 27. Let's go to the 17 and 18 because they are easy to locate. So let me try with only one first. I need to remove my viewpoint from here. Let's see if I'm gonna kill a pie today. It shouldn't. It shouldn't be any problem at all. So for now, I'm gonna even leave this thingy. I'm gonna go here. So this is the NeoPixel from the ads. So I'm gonna change to here. Let's go in here. Let's go to the LED effect, and I'm gonna change the headlights. It's gonna be on RPi GPIO. Which one it is? 18. 18. I think it's like this. I'm gonna just save for now because I need to check first here. Oh, okay. I don't have anything in here. So let's go save and restart. Yeah, everything looks fine. Let me try to change the color to see if it's actually fine or not. Let's do a status printing. Okay, didn't change the color on the tool head, which is a bummer. Where do I have? Okay, let me check that video I was checking before. What did I look for? NeoPixel, I think. NeoPixel Clipper. NeoPixel Raspberry Pi. So there were this guy. Let's see where he got the configuration to the printer TFG. Yes, that. Oh, okay, that's helpful. Okay, so yes, in host. That makes sense as well. Because he called it. Okay, yes, because he called it GPIO. this should, in theory, work. Let me take another look. So let me go to the printer CFG. Okay. So yeah, I have the MCU, exactly, RPi. So I need in that effect. Did I? I think I did. So we have the lights and we have the case lights. The case lights are on RPi GPIO 18, I'm not mistaken. Yes, that's the 18. I think. Let me check. Double check. So yeah, I have in here. So these ones are occupied. And I'm using this one. Okay, let me do a test. Um, Let me do a test, just a simple test of changing the color. On headlight, I'm gonna change it to green. No, it doesn't. It does not. Okay, so let me try on 17, just. This one. Okay, so that doesn't help me. I really don't know. So if we are on the headlights, now let me try to 17. And then we start. Let me try to change the color on the headlight. Nope. Nope, it's not working. So that guy was using CPIO 20. Let me check where is the 20. So 20 It's one of the, so it's the second to last. On the USB side. So it's in here. Not in here. On the right side. Here, 20, right? Only this. Only this. And GPIO 20. Save and restart. And go. Okay, so I need to, let me try to find something else. So let's try Clipper. Very fine. Oh, actually, let me check that. With mobile term I can do. I don't remember the command. I think it's GPIO info. Oh yes. So assumedly I have the 20 used. Okay, you guys are not actually seeing, but it's in here. And I zoom the again. So I'm setting the 20, and it's assigned to Clipper as an output, and it's being used. It's just not working. Okay, so let me okay, so let's search for Flipper, LED effect. Raspberry Pi. Let's see what this guy. I'm trying to connect a strip to my BTT Pi. I already set up the ISO, set the printer TFG. Using a multimeter shows LEDs are indeed receiving. Okay. Yeah, someone looks like someone has the same idea as I did, but okay. So I'm not the only one not being able to do this, so I assume maybe it's not my problem. Maybe we can't do it. So I'm not gonna lose. Well, let's do some more research. Let me check on um, in Flipper Discord. Do we have LED effect? Mm, looks like they don't have a specific. me check on the actual web effects. Let's see examples. Okay, we only have this one. Let me try to search here. Raspberry. Okay. Let's open up. I'm gonna just put a request here on their GitHub. If it's doable, I'm pretty sure they'll gonna reply me. Okay, low processing power. 5. Okay, let's go here. Let's go to my machine 50. Alright. Let me check something else. Nope. Nope. Okay. Hey, Steven. You're the man. You're the man. See, look at the quality. Look at the texture, the softness of it. It's amazing. It's amazing. Okay, maybe I can do what I want. I don't know. So let's get moving. I'm still waiting for the print. So for now, we're gonna keep the where is it? It's supposed to be here in the beginning. Not as much here. Shit, I know I don't remember. I think I'm gonna put a here and here. I'm gonna go pin GPIO. I think it's 22. Need to check. What do I want? SKR Pico. So it's supposed to be here. Yeah, it's 22. So I'm gonna connect it back there. CTIO 22. Where is my plastic Cindy? There's no way. And let's try if it's working or should be all back to normal. Yeah, all back to normal. So let me remove this. Okay, let's get into let me check how long I've done this, so I can go in here. Let's check how is the print in there. So yeah, 15 minutes, so we should be fine. So meanwhile, I have something I need to do with my so these gonna be needed as well. Oh, actually I can put this. Let me take these out. So these are 16. 16 should go in here. And 12 should go in here. There. So I can install the screws, the new screws on the arms. Should be fine. That. This one. Um, Oops, the other way around. This. So for those who weren't here, I'm changing these screws to have a little bit more trouble because they are the original were regular socket heads, and they had a spacer, so they occupied too much space, and I were actually stealing travel because they would hit the panels. And now I can get a little closer to the panels because the screws are not so long anymore. I'm using some modified button heads because I think it's the best solution. Some flat heads should not be bad either, but I don't like that idea because they are conical, so there's a good chance they get loose. Let me do these now. Plus, it won't be as ugly. So again, this is a non-scheduled stream. So the main stream will be later at night. This is just, I was doing some preparations and messing with some stuff, so why not streaming as well? Okay, like I have some. Okay, so now we need to wait for the parts to finish print. Not long, about 7 minutes, 10 minutes maximum. So I'm gonna do something else while that I have to do. So I have you guys remember this camera that I used to calibrate the Tridex heads? So it looks like I made it too weak, and I need to make it stronger. So I did a second version of it, actually an improved version of the case. Actually, I need to give it some heat. I'm gonna do it now. I thickened the bottom because when I use this thingy with the hot bath, not sure if you guys can see, but it's all wobbly now because it was too thin. The ABS wasn't the best for it anyway, and I also printed another one. And also I did a cage for the wire. So instead of having to force the wire into the... Oh shit, I need my soldering iron. I think. So let's start peeling stuff. I need my blue driver. Now I'm seeing that the screws weren't even tight. Where's the other one? Okay, I removed it already. So I need, and I made a thicker. You guys see here the magnet um, slot. I thickened the old thing, and I actually add some tabs to make it stronger. That car just came in. Let me see what it is. And so yeah, we should be good. I need to remove the camera. No, the LED controller. And I need to unsolder. Yeah, I'm gonna unsolder them here because I think it's easier. I'm gonna add some flux. Okay. So let me remove this thingy. This thingy was just press fit. And now I'm gonna call my little friend for some help because I'm not gonna struggle today. I'm just gonna destroy this thing. So before I did just an hole to put this. Now I did a slot. So this thing can slot in like that. And hopefully it has a tab in here that will well, we'll see later. it should be fine. So the tab should close like that. I need to add the, so I need, this thing goes to the garbage, and this thing goes to, oh, actually, yeah, let's remove them right now. Let me grab a big M3 screw. Let's put some heat into it. Actually, I need to also heat this thingy because it's white from the stress. I printed this thing a while ago, but I haven't had the chance to assemble it, and here we are. So I'm gonna heat the insert in here. Like that, remove one. Remove the other. And the other. Now I need to remove the magnets, which will be a little less easy, I would say. I need to do some preparation first. I need to grab a little flat. Now let's do some heat. Like that. And now we should be able to, yeah, see how soft the thing is. Alright, so garbage with it. And let me add the search. Okay, print just finished. Let's let it cool. I'm gonna push it a little lower. And that looks fine. I need to add the magnet. I want to make sure this doesn't seem too strong. I'm not sure. Oh, I have a ball here. Yeah, these are even smaller. These definitely are not the stronger ones I have. So probably just some cheap stuff. Okay, let me grab my where are they? You think? Oh, probably. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Motherfucker. Okay. Mhm. No, 1,000,000. Tiny. Little shavings. What? How is it? What's going on in here? Let me see what my good friend Peter Kinch sent me on WhatsApp because he was needing some help. Okay. Where are the magnets? Not here. This one in the middle. Let me check what is next here. Shit. Thing grabs to everything. Okay, we have 2.9, so we should be fine. These, these these are really strong magnets. It's fun. I'll need an hammer to put them down. Yeah, it works. So like this. Yeah. Come on. Need two more. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Hello, Trurex. So, before you ask, no, this is not the regular stream. This is an non-scheduled stream. I was just doing some stuff. And good morning. And why not stream while we're at it? So later tonight, at the usual time, we're gonna have the regular stream and the giveaway. Jesus, magnets are messy. So what's going on in here? So you have this one in here. So you guys remember the camera I did for the line the Tridex has? I need to change the case of it. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm changing the magnets. And this guy in here. While the printed parts cool down. What's going on here? Jesus, this fucker is it's on the other way around. Well, nothing I can do now. There's always one son of a bitch. Not gonna... Okay, this one will need the hammer. There's no way I can get it to... Okay, I need the memory hammer. Oh, maybe not. Maybe this will do. Yeah, that will do. Steel wood. Do I have something here that I can hit it with? Yeah, sure I do. This single would be just fine. Let me grab the mallet. Yeah. Mm. This one is a little too high as well. Need some puppy love. That's fine. Well, you guys have so many cool stuff over there. I think it's that brand. Isn't that brand the one that has that red with golden blinkies? I think so. I think it's that brand. Okay, so now I should be able. Well, first let me insert this thing in here. So the squish on this part wasn't the best, but good enough. Let me solder these guys in. I need to start with the ground. So yeah, yeah, I know that one as well. I've seen it. I don't know exactly where. So we have the data, which is the middle one, and the rest. Here in Europe, we are very limited to. We have good filaments, good plastic, but not cool stuff as you guys do. Not cool stuff. We have the coolest stuff we have. It's like the Polymaker stuff, the Galaxy. And it came out like a couple weeks ago. It's not that even we had it since you guys had it. No, it just came out a couple weeks ago. It showed up and we got empty on stock pretty fast. And now the next deliver should be on July. So you see, we are you guys have brands that I even never heard of, so pretty sure they are cool stuff. And if we want to order from there, it's a pain because it's too expensive the shipping, and even more expensive the damn taxes, the custom fees. So it's a joke. Well, they are fucking expensive. So yeah, we should be good with this like this. Yeah, the ABS Galaxy Purple. It's the one. It's the one I used on this build. Very cool. For purple. Yeah, I know, Jose, but even so, you need to buy like I don't know 4 spools to get that value because 3 spools it's under, and I actually went to buy there, but it was the Galaxy Black was out. I knew it was someone that had a spool of Galaxy Black. I don't remember if it was Luis Silva. I really Need to ask him if he's willing to sell it to me or to loan me, and when we get more, I'll give him one back, because I really need to decide. Well, if you buy a few spools, 15 euro, it's not the end of the world. And I like their filament. The Rosa 3D, it's cool. It's cool stuff. It's good stuff. I really like it. So let's see. Okay, we have light. Let me check if it's working. Yep, good stuff. Well, it's my gold over here. The gold I have. Yeah, well, you know where it was, where you first saw it, right? Okay, yes. You can see here it's working. Very macro. So that's my fingerprint. I need to decide what color to print. I know what color I want. I know I want black, but I don't know. I really would like a sparkle black for my next build or next project. Let's say it like that. The next rebuild. I need to check whatever I have in here, and because I know I have almost two rolls of Galaxy Black, but I'm pretty sure I'll need more than that for all the black parts. So I don't know. I need to see, or maybe I'll do a mix. I don't know. Maybe the skirts from other color. I don't know. I need to see. I need to think about it. Okay, so the parts are done, so let's replace the broken part. Yeah, it's cool enough. I'm gonna finish cooling it on the... No. What's going on in here? Need some cleaning. Let me check that stuff. Why are you showing me stuff I can't get? Because then I want it and I can't get it, so... So you're saying I should take a look at... where is the... Flash Forge. Burnt titanium. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. This thing is beautiful. It's not that expensive. Oh, this is PLA. I don't want PLA. Do they have titanium? Do they have ABS? Jesus. That thing is beautiful, man. It's the same fucking price. Okay, let me check. Fuck off. Oh, fuck me. Wait. Wait. Let me go to Chrome because I have my login on Chrome. Okay. Oh, why do I have why this thing in German? Fuck off. Okay. Why is it D? I don't understand. Why is it? I have everything. Let me check this. So, Delta FF. I'm messing around with my Delta. I'll check this later. So we have this one and this guy. Let me clean the plate since we are here. I don't understand why people say that ABS doesn't stick. This thing it's fucking glued. My bad plate. Okay, since I'm here, oh, they do it in an ASA. I never print ASA, so I have no experience on it. People say it's basically the same as ABS, but I never tried it. Because again, we are not in here. ASA, it's not a big thing. What are those? Those what? Those parts? Those parts are from the head, which is broken, and I'm gonna replace it. So let me change my camera again. And change here to the main. So it's this bottom piece here. Let me disconnect the printer. So we're gonna replace these guys. Let me put the heat charts on it. Yeah, these look nice. A little stringy, so I guess my filament is a little wet. I need to dry it, but it's fine. So I'm just removing the stress marks. Well, again, I never tried it because we don't have much stuff in ASA, especially the fun stuff. Yeah, even my ABS, I let the parts cool. Delta FF, I'm not sure about what you're asking, so you need to be a little more specific. So this is a 3D printer, pretty sure you know that, and these are parts for the 3D printer. So the difference, so this is the original one. This is the original one, and it's the second time they break here where the arms attach. So now I just add a bunch of plastic around it because it makes no sense why it's not there in the first place, and hopefully now it will be fine. It definitely will be better. Well, let me check the air ducts because sometimes these have some bridges and sometimes I add, yeah, there, some pieces of filament, nothing too they will mess with the flow, so just a little cleaning. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, that's cool. If it's even lighter than ABS. ABS it's lighter than PLA. Cool. Actually, I'm surprised. So when the first ABS Galaxy I got from Polymaker, it was actually sent to me by Steve Builds, from Steve Builds, because I won a Trident on his stream, and he wanted to provide the printed parts. So okay, he sent me those, and I asked him, I bought it of course, so if he could send me some Galaxy Black. because the parts he made for me were on Galaxy Black. So he sent me the parts and two spools of Galaxy Black, and the guys from Customs only asked me for 20 euros of fees. I was blown away. Okay, so we are good. This one goes for scraps. Same as this one. After I remove the screws. Well, the weight difference on the plastic parts, it's not that significant. Even if it's 15% lighter, but the parts itself don't weigh too much. So, but yeah, that's cool. I know it's a better plastic overall because it's UV resistant, and the actual the deformation temperature is higher than ABS. So we have an LED in here, which I need to remove. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do that yet, but I need to. First I want to get the screw out. It should be easy. Should be easy, like that. And I need to scrap that one for inserts as well. And let's go for the third one. Like it. Yeah. I don't like it too much. It's too loose. Should a drop of hot glue should be applied here, but I don't really care. So now the screws. So guys, don't forget to show up later tonight on tonight's stream. We're gonna have a night talk to give away. Where are the other two? Or the other one? Only one missing. This one in here. Why? What's going on in here? just keep aligned. Why aren't you? Okay, now think. Alright. Let me turn on the printer just to make sure. Everything is on. LEDs. Yes, we have light there. I think it would look awesome, man. If you do the main color, but what's the idea to make the main color the burnt titanium and the galaxy purple the accent? I think that would be something crazy. I want to see pictures of that if you do that. Actually, I would do my micron that way if I can. I need to take a look at the prices of importing that stuff because that stuff really stuck to my eye. I may copy your build now that you show me that stuff. I need to take a look at the colors they have, the full range, because now you okay, I need to check that ambrosia meteorite because if the purple itself is as strong as the polymaker one and has more blinky to it, though I think the polymaker one has enough blinky. I actually like it very much. Man, that thing will be awesome. I don't know the ambrosia purple though. With the gold frame? Jesus. Now we're talking about. Now that's the shit. let me use the green one. Why are you doing this to me? Is it a bad insert? Let me check. Just a little. There we go. Yeah, because the gold flame, the gold frame will go very well with the blue of the burnt titanium, and the purple will be a midway. I actually think that thing will be epic. Maybe some dark red would go well as well. Something like towards the Isan burden, the engine, how is it? Fire engine. But something better than that, because I don't really like Isan. I think it's the fire engine, but something like that with blinkies. But the purple, the galaxy purple, would be awesome with that as well. Okay, so here we are. Okay, let me turn off the heat press iron. Why is this thing here? Yeah, purple should be fine, yeah. Not fine, should be great. Okay, so now I need to do another delta calibrate. Okay, so let's own this thing. Let me change the light direction. Let me get it a little higher so I can press the camera. In here, yeah. So let's own this thing. You guys want to see something cool? Watch this. I'm gonna do 8, 5 iterations. Let me do something else. Status printing. Oops. Not printing. Printing. What the fuck? I'm dyslexic or what? We change lighting. The ambrosia is the filament color. The filament brand. Let's try 500. Isn't that cool or what? Let's try 600. And it. Hey Beanie. And no, I couldn't do it. Okay, it's behaving. Let's try 700. Ah, doesn't like 700. It's your shutdown. Timer to close, yeah. So yeah, it was at 600. 650? I don't know. It was at 600 before it gave up. So firmware restart. Let's try again at 650. Let me. So speed 650, Excel 8K. Standard. Oops. Wait, I forgot something. So speed 650, Excel 8K, 5 iterations, and send it. Oh, I forgot the status printing. Probably it will give an error. Actually, I need to. Oh, actually it didn't. Which is cool. Okay, so let me go machine, macros. I'm gonna change the default, so that's full, that's full. Yeah, here we can leave 250, default 5k, and the iterations I'm gonna put 5 at the default. And I want to put here a status printing, so it changes the lighting for a fix, like it was printing, and here status ready. Now I need a printer override, gnome override and stuff as well. I'm gonna do save and restart, and I'm gonna open my so this is my Trident configuration. Ethernet, probe. I want this stuff. I want this stuff. So this makes sure that since I'm using the poke, which is a nozzle probe, I want to make sure it doesn't probe when the temperature is too high. So I'm gonna probe temp. Actually, this one is too high. Okay. So this doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. Ohming override. Okay, this is different. Okay, so basically, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna do a ohming override. This is weird. Let me check something else first. without burner LEDs because these things no. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna try it anyway. So, oops. If I do something like foaming, override. I'm not sure if it's with 1R or 2R. It's with 2. Okay. I'm gonna do just G code 2 points status foaming. Oh, here already. So let's put this one status ready. And G28. Let's see if it hits it like that. Looks like it does. So the idea is that the lighting changes to status foaming, which is a rainbow. So let me go with status ready. And when it homes, oh yes, it does. After roaming, changes back to, okay, that's fine. That's what I want. Okay, so now I'm gonna test, I need to test the purge. No, actually I need to do a delta calibration. No. Because I changed the piece where the arms are. Let me check the belts since it's been running. Yeah, they look fine. Let me change the radius of the delta calibrate to 70. Should be fine. So now dashboard. Let's go. Let's go ohm. And let's go delta. Calibrate. I want to make sure it's not touching the pieces, I mean the panels. right away actually. Should be fine with 70. Now it's calculating everything. Okay, so the guys from from LED Effect actually replied me, and looks like we can do it with the LEDs connected to the Raspberry Pi. Fuck. So okay, let's see what we are going to. That's good. So I'm gonna say complete. Well, I should do the advanced calibration, but not yet. Let me check. Okay, we are good. I was checking if it was changing anything in here. Got the free break. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna do another probe calibrate now. And then we're gonna test I'm gonna close this on this side. Close everything, doesn't matter for now. So probe calibrate, right? Yeah. Oh. Hi, why are you not smart enough that you should home first if it's not home? Okay. And let's do the probe calibrate. And I'm gonna move -1, -1, -1, -1, -1. Getting close. actually not too bad. Yeah, I like that. No, actually, I think. Oh no, I like that. Okay. Fine. So now let's try the purge line. So I'm gonna put this in heating to 120 at first and 65. So that's good enough, I would say. So let's try purge. No, first I need to heat up this thing to 220 or 210. 210 should be enough. And then purge. Oh yeah, I forgot to change that. God damn it. So let me go 120 again. I need to change that to what is purge? Spring start purge. Here minus 73. I think it's fine. No, it can be 74, 75. I need to extend. I'm gonna do the. I'm gonna increase the print radius. I have the print radius on 75. I'm gonna increase it to 79, 78. Then restart. And we can go again to 10 and 65 ohm. Do I have a brush in here? Nope. And let me grab a brush. I can give a brush in here. Let's go down 3 times and storage. Yeah, we are fine. Move it to the extrusion. Okay. What the hell? Never seen these before. Max extrude cross section. Never seen these before. So I assume this is something on the extruder. So this is the 2.5. This is new. What? Shit, okay. Let me take a look. Let me check my friends. Where is he? So Doron config, Velta, print a CFG. Let me check what the hell does he have in here. Separate, extruder. Max extruder. Okay, I needed 2 points. Okay. Yes, that's from Xire. That's the guy with the serial number 3 on the Velta. I'm gonna share mine as well, all my configurations when they are done. Where do I need to go here? So 50, let me start. No problem, mate. So I'm gonna go 120 again, and I'm gonna go 65, and let's boom. And I have a bulb of filament in here now, which I don't have anymore. So let's try again. So I have an SKR2 on another printer here. Let me check the size of this thing. I think this thing is too big though. No, it's not that big. But it takes 6 motors instead of just 2, which is not as efficient. Okay, we are good enough to do the purge. So let me do purge. Jesus, that's a big purge. Not need nearly enough. I see what he wants to do. I see what he wants to do. So he wants to go to minus 75. 25. Okay, but that's too much. Okay, let me lift it a couple of millimeters. Okay, this is stupid. It doesn't need such a big purge. So let me do 5 millimeters, 2 millimeters retract. Okay, let's give me a second. I'm back. Okay, so let's take a look at the purge line this guy made. Um, macros purge. So it instead of minus 15, well, we can go minus 1575. Then it extrudes a bunch, but let's put it something like to 5. That's 20 millimeters of extrusion. Let's put it 20. Then it retracts 0.5 and moves to X 15. Then it resets Z0 and lifts to Z 1.6. Yeah, that looks good enough. Let's try it. Short, so let's go with 65 in here. Let's put 210 in here, and let's omit. Let's purge it. That's cool. I don't think retraction of 0.5 is enough though. So let's do some more adjustments. Let's do a 1 millimeter retract. Or even another one. Yeah, but that should be fine because it's for printing, then it's the print starts. But then there's the brim, so I can live with that. So let me try that. So let's give it a little more. I'm not in here in the macros. And actually let's give it a little more speed as well. Because why does it okay. I don't understand. I really don't understand. Let's put 6,000. The G0 on 3D printers, because on CNC machines G0 it's the maximum speed of the machine, and anytime we use G0 it's that value. But on 3D printers G0 and G1 I'll both take the feed rate, which is kind of weird for me, but that's what it is. So I'm gonna do a -1 in here, a retract, then that should be fine. Okay, right, like that, it should be fine. So let me try to print something like a Doron cube or something like that, and see how it behaves. So we have print end, we have everything. So I'm gonna do an open Orca. I have a bunch of stuff. Well, actually, I should print the calibration piece. Nah. Well, actually, I should do a calibration, some calibration stuff. So maybe we do that. Let's see what we have on Orca calibration. Because I found out last time first. Let me select this girl for now. One thing I want to do is to edit the machine G code, and on here I just want Shit, I need to open another one. Because I'm gonna copy this from my other machines, because I don't like to do the. I like to have my print start and just start with the print start, and other than do new project, doesn't matter. I'm gonna go with, doesn't really matter, it can be this one. No, actually it can't be this one. Well, it should be the same, because I think I have my machine G code. Yeah, I like to start. I'm gonna copy all of these in here. But if we take some attention, so we are not using this one, we are actually using this one. We are using this one, but we don't have a chamber thermistor for now, but we'll have. I'm gonna leave it. Shouldn't be a problem. In here I just want print on. I don't want anything here other than printers. Let me. This one it's not being used because it has the. Yeah, it should be fine, I believe. Okay. Even that we don't have a chamber thermistor yet. Let me check my easy, no? No, every other of my printers have the chamber thermistor, so. So we should be fine. So let's do what we use. Temperature, no, not really. Flow rate, flow rate. So flow rate. Test 2. Didn't I save? Probably not. So this doesn't feel. I don't understand why my other filaments don't appear in here. Anyway. That's 204, that's fine. 65 to 10, that's fine. Pressure advance, I'm gonna use something like 0.5. Flow rate, shield, that's fine for now. Default color, yeah, let's put yellow. Three layers, that's fine for now, 25% in feel. So actually I want to check the pressure advance. Bowden. I like the pattern, I believe. Fuck that. How can be? Let's see. Okay, I missed by a little. A little more here, maybe? That should be fine. That should be fine. Alright. Let's do a print. Let's see how it goes. YOLO! Standing device. Let's see. What's the device say? Didn't I add the exclude device in here? I think so. Exclude. Oh, I forgot. Okay, I need to. I need to add the exclude stuff to exclude object, right? Oh, my tweezers. YOLO it! So right now it's hitting to 120, which I'm not happy with. I need to remove that. I need to go here to my machine printer. Yeah, exclude object. I need to add this thing in here. Completely forgot. Let's save. Because I think so now it's supposed to do some meshing. Yeah, it's not doing the adaptive meshing because I need to increase some speed in here. The horizontal move speed. It should do the adaptive meshing, but since I didn't have the exclude object, Ah, now we're talking. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute. It was me who hard stopped it. Why didn't it um that's not respecting my, let me check. Why isn't it? I need to let me open it in here, which is a little bigger. Not respecting my printer start. I think it's on macro. My print start command. Maybe because of I have the chamber temp on the slicer. Let me check. Yeah, the print start. Oh wait. Wait. Uh, Let me check my print start in here. I think I have different. Yep, I have different stuff in here. I need to put the same name. So I'm actually gonna use mine. Okay, I need to. Yeah, I have a mismatch. Okay. Okay, so here. Yep, I have a mismatch of stuff. So I need to use that temp to call parameters that temp. So I need to use in the slicer. Button embed. Okay. I have open and okay, yes, that's it. So I need in here to set here. Here it's bad, and here it's open. Because it's what I have in here exactly, and the other one is chamber. Because it's the parameters I'm setting, the other one is chamber. That's right. And now everything should be fine because we have that temp there, we have that temp here, we have meshing. Yep. Okay, now we should be fine. So I'm gonna try to reprint the same scene. So code. Why is it not here? Why is it not here? Should be here. Print. Review. What happened? Okay. Code and print. Okay, now it is. I don't. So it's sitting up to 120 as it should. Or well, actually it shouldn't, but I need to recheck that. I'm gonna do it here on the side because I don't really want it to. So now it's hitting the bed as it should. Okay, now it's fine. I had the wrong values, the wrong variables names. That's the. So now it should do a bed mesh. I need to change that probe speed to. Okay, now it should be eating the. That's fine. Eating the hot end. So let's take a look into printer CFG. It's either on bed mesh. Where is the bed mesh section? So we have probe, we have the speed of the probe, sample, but I don't see the speed of moving the probe, so let's see the bed mesh. Bed mesh, where is bed mesh? Rotation, bed mesh. Horizontal move Z, 5. So that's the radius 70, speed 50. Okay, we need something like 500, not 50. Okay, so we are at 210. Now we're gonna purge. Purging. And now I may need to baby step it. Actually, it's quite okay. It's quite fine. Maybe I can actually focus like that. Não, normalmente é só fazer o arco, mas eu acho que não precisa de fazerem tanto. No, man. Hello, welcome. This is an unscheduled stream, so I was doing some testing and changing some stuff, so I decided to actually stream. Why not? Because I was here on the shop. The regular stream will be later at night, and that's when the giveaway will be. This is just a non-scheduled stream that I actually okay. Let me stream. Let me just stream for whoever is here. So right now we are doing the pressure advance test. Jesus, the travels are so slow. I need to take a look on this profile. So speed. Initial layer, that's fine. Initial layer travel. That's fine. Travel, it's not that. Well, there's several. I like this one. This one is the one from Alice. So Ó José, se mandaste algum link, o YouTube bloqueia os links, não aparecem. Portanto, se quiseres podes mandar para mim no Discord. Ó isso. That will do. That will do. I think they say we should print this slowly, but I forgot that detail. Now this is cool. I never actually watched the extruder working. Well, actually, I thought this would take an higher value on PA. But I think 0.5 it's working well for a Bowden. That's quite good. I like this one. Okay. Actually, even less. 0.45 seems fine. 0.35 looks fine. 0.40. Yeah, 0.40 looks spot on. Let me try to show. Ooh, goodies. This one is fast and works quite well. Okay, I need to lift it up a little more. Oh, actually I can use the printer. I think I need to put something heavy in here. What do I need? More? Yeah, more. So like that. Yeah. Vá lá, vá lá. Vá lá, vá lá, José. Eu normalmente quando gasto é aos 170 e 200. Okay, so you guys see my artwork on my. This is actually a beam in here. In here. Okay, so the way this one works, you just look both to the beginning and the end of the thingies, and but mainly the principal it's the corners. What you want is the sharpest corner without opening gaps. You guys can see in this one we have some gaps there on the corner between the filament. You don't want that. That's too high. And if it bulge at the corner, like this one, that's too low. Or like this one, that's too low. What you want is something like this one or this one. Then you look at here, and actually it's better to look on this side, on the side of the numbers. Which one is the cleanest? On this one, I believe the 0.45 it's like the perfect spot. Yeah, if I had to say, this one has some gaps there. This one looks perfect. These two look pretty much alike. But I like the 45 more in here. Yeah, sure, True Rex, no problem. I appreciate you being here now. It was, like I said, non-scheduled. Yeah, this test is really nice because it's really fast. It took like what, 5 minutes to print, 7 minutes maybe. Yeah, 7 minutes to print, 8 minutes total with the things. So and you get your value dialed in. So I used 0.5 on the filament. I'm not too far from it. Yeah, I like that. I like that. So I'm gonna use 0.4, 0.45, somewhere between 0.4 and 0.1 should be fine. I'm surprised because this is a Bowden. The first layer was spot on. So gotta love Pope. Look here. Looks nice. I like it. So let me clean my greasy fingerprints from the plate. And let me zoom out. So I think I'm gonna print the Delta enhance test now that everything looks fine. Oh shit, my alcohol cleaning rag just fell on the floor. So what more? Okay, I need to change. I think I deleted already. Here are my FL machine key code. Yeah, I did. So there's no more. Let me put the variation. Proceed. So yeah, I think I'm gonna set the Delt calibrate. Oh, I should do a retraction test. I should do a retraction test. Right now I have something like a 2mm retraction, but if I could use less. Oh shit, I fucked up. I want this one in here, going there, and calibration, retraction. Start of retraction 1. Yeah, that should be fine. No. I'm gonna restart. Did the thing deleted? Wait. Okay, so this thing should be fast as well, so why not? Let's yellow it. And see, the adaptive meshing is working. Now it's not probing as much as it was on previously, because it's just a small piece. Now it's hitting, the colors are actually changing as well. So it has the green, okay, you guys can see. So it has the green light here, it's the green because the bed is already at temperature. And Go for it, AAA. And it's hitting the nozzle now. That's why the nozzle LED is red. Sorry, you guys can't actually see, but it's red. So when the nozzle reaches the temperature, it should change color again. So yeah, we are at 200. It should end at 210. And we are oozing, so that means I need to do some more retraction on print end. There it goes. Actually, I'm liking this printer more than I thought I would. I need to read about this stuff because I have no idea how to read the test. So where this thing starts? It starts at maximum, at minimum. Okay, so it starts at minimum. So actually, a retraction of 1, it's not that bad. Shit, I should have done something. I should have started actually at 0. instead of 1, because 1 it's actually not that bad. It's actually quite acceptable. Oh, that shouldn't happen. I connected steppers on the wrong way before, and I never killed a board, not even a driver. Even I think even if you short the I think even if you short the driver where a coil is, it won't die. So I don't know. So many times that I connected the because the first thing the writing on the documentation, it's not the exactly, or even it gives an error on Clipper because the PMC driver errors out. And happened me so many times because some manufacturers of drivers calls the A coil and B coil. Supposedly it should be A coil and B coil, and there's the so A1 and A2. It's the same coil, the two ends. So that's and I connected wrong so many times and nothing really bad happened. Just didn't work. But as soon as I correctly connect it well, it would start to work fine. Whoa, Marlin. Oh, okay. I think it starts with 2 millimeters because now I'm getting more strings. Yeah, I need to retract more on print end. So let me go print, no, macros. And I'm gonna retract print end. I'm gonna retract, I don't know, 6 millimeters maybe. Actually, I'm gonna retract more. I'm gonna retract 10 because yes, I'm gonna retract 10 because if I need to change filament, it's better. I'm gonna do a save and restart. So I don't know if you can see. What I really would like to know is where this thing starts and where it ends because it looks. Okay, I guess I'm gonna do another test. Shit, I need to listen. Between 0, everything looks the same, and I think it starts better. Not supposedly, because every time it retracts, before it starts again, it will push the same value. The only thing the retraction does is to avoid stringing when you're moving the head, so it pushes, it makes a vacuum, and then it will go and start on the other way and pushes back on the same amount that it retracted. Jesus, this looks good, man. All the way. So I think I can go with 1mm retractions. I need to make another test between 0 and, I don't know, 1.5. Jesus, I need to get some time of alignment tool on this bed because this round thingy. Okay, that's not too bad now. Fiz 11 mm. So I did 11. I have another one here. So if you want, I can send you the. I can send you the. I can put on my GitHub the FTL. I printed 2 this time. Oh, okay. I did 11 mm. Well, I'm not that popular, and especially with surprise streams, it's even worse. And it's Saturday, many people is out, so I understand. Well, you should pray that later tonight it's gonna be only 5 as well, because the fewer they are, the more chances are for you to get the prize. Okay, so I'm gonna do another test, but actually I'm gonna start a new project on Orca just to make sure it doesn't mess up with file, new project, no calibration, retraction test. So I'm gonna go with a start of 0.5 and 1.5, and yeah, that's fine. Oh wait, what's wrong with you? Okay, maybe you need 0, 5 and 1, 5. Is that it? Okay, it is. I know, I'm just watching the positive side of the thingy. I'm not a famous guy, so I understand. Usually I have, I don't know, 5 to 10 viewers, which it's fine by me. I don't do it for the views. I do it for fun. let's go again. The nozzle is clean, so let's go clean. Okay, so my color thingies are working fine now. That's perfect. Bed is eating. The logo is red. This thing is fast, man. Look at that thing moving. I really like it. Let me send a message to a friend of mine. Is it fine? Yeah, it looks fine. Everything is dying. I have some cheap laptops if you're interested in one. I have a bunch of them. I can send you details. Because I repair them and I have a bunch of them. Oh, that's supposed to be a good laptop, not? I don't know exactly the Vivo books because they have so many book types. No, Beanie. I worked with the STL and it's a fucking pain. At the time, I actually did actually did new bodies because the extrusions weren't joining with the main body, so I just made new bodies and get away with it. The first one I did worked just fine. The first bump, let's call it, I don't know. And then the second one also worked. I think it worked. No, the second one I actually need a new body, and then I used the join tool to actually join them, and that worked. And the third one, I couldn't do even a join extrusion, not even new body and join after, so I need to leave it just a new body there. And on the others, I didn't even try it. I only made new bodies and left it there, because then when you save as mesh, The slicer will handle it with as a single piece, so fuck it. Sorry. No, you can't do that. You can't do the circular pattern on that on this thingy. You can if you use two of them, and yeah, if you do two of them, then you can do a circular pattern for the other two. So if you do, this was printing slow. I'm not sure exactly because it's so small. So if you do this one, but this is not actually, yeah, this is not, I don't think that will work because this is not, I'm not sure, is it? No, I don't have my angle meter in here. These guys are, Jesus. That's why I hate people. Okay, so now we have some more data. So I start at 0.5. Let me put the front camera. So we try to make some shade. I can't actually. Okay, see, we have some stringing there at the beginning. Let me try to rip this thing off. Shit. I ripped it off, but oh, no, actually I didn't. Let me try to focus. Okay, so I think 1 millimeter is fine because we want the least retraction. We want the least retraction possible acceptable. So if I count the notches, this started at 0. So 0.5 it's at 0, it's the first one. So this one is 0, 6, 7, 8, 0, 9. I'm gonna use 0, 9 as retraction. 0, 9 looks a good value. And actually it's less than I was expecting. Again, this machine is overcoming my expectations. And I think I'm gonna start to print a delta calibration, and we're gonna actually use it later. I need to leave. I have to do some stuff. I need to go to my cousin's to get some stuff, and I'm gonna actually have a diner. I have a dine there. So I see you guys in a couple hours. I hope you guys liked it. I know it was a surprise, but yeah, come back in a couple hours. I should be here around 21:15 my time. So I see you guys later. Thank you, and see you later.